This might be a little bad.
Might be a little bad. Auto assign. I'm up in that corner too, so I can't. What am I gonna run around with? I'm gonna use this MP5 again. Oh, I'm already stuck on stuff. Ah! Why do I keep getting stuck on stuff? Ah!
Oh, my face.
You ran right into me.
Yeah, and you hit my face with a gun. Yeah, chalky, wonky, wonky. Ah! Again? Who kept shooting me?
Who was it?
Oh!
What are you doing? What's in your mouth? What is that?
Bus.
Oh! Ah!
Side chick.
Bub distracted me.
Yeah. Oh! What did he do? Oh!
Oh! Ah! Ah! Man, you. I don't even know what my death streaks are. I think it's painkiller.
Yeah, painkiller. I had painkiller.
I can't get in the door. Get in the door.
Watch this.
So what map is your favorite?
The map.
This one?
Yeah. When you get to blow the can.
Why are you shooting the kegs?
Yee-hee.
I can't get in the doorways. Man, this little screen's messing me up.
Stop, you dirty.
Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! Ah!
What
Where's Bub this whole time? We're back here blowing each other up, shooting beer kegs.
Where is Bubby? Bubby.
Wait. Oh! Bub's tubing again. Oh!
Go and
All right. You're going. What do you got there? I'm gonna throw a stun grenade at you. I can't speak. What did you just blow up? Can you look out this window? Hey, look at that.
Going nuclear again.
Where are you guys? Where are you? You are right around here. I know you. I can't get in the door. Oh, where am I? The screen is too small.
Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. Fruitcake. 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 Fruitcake.
Maybe we should all just run with shotguns. Should we make that a rule?
Oh.
We can only use shotguns. You want to try that?
Yeah.
All right, everybody switch to shotguns. That's all we can use. Oh, maybe that was a bad idea. Okay. What did you do?
Blow myself up.
Why? I see somebody. Oh! Woo! Oh! Hey, you okay? You look like you need a band-aid. You're right there.
Come here, Dad. Why did I tell you?
Oh, somebody's. Oh! Oh! I'm gonna fly. Oh! Somebody get me a band-aid.
Band-aid.
I'm gonna blind you. I'm gonna keep blinding you. It's annoying.
I can't see. Oh, annoying.
Oh, look, all these guys need band-aids. He needs a band-aid. And, oh, I need a band-aid.
I saw a dead body over here. A dead body.
I'm gonna flash you. I'm gonna make you blind. I made you blind.
I can't see. I can't see.
Are you still? Oh, I'm blind. I'm just gonna shoot in circles because I can't see anything. Oh! Somebody needs some Tylenol. Oh, I'm gonna get blown up. Oh!
When did we record this?
Nah, we don't need to record this. Throw a flash grenade. I feel like I'm like a slug.
Oh!
Whoa! Oh! Look at all these shotguns on the ground. Oh! I think I'm missing my kneecaps. Oh, somebody's flashed. Who got flashed? Not that guy.
I flashed it, yeah.
Oh!
Who's that threw me?
Oh! How did you do that?
Now come here. Come here for a second. Come here. And I'm gonna shoot you.
Oh! Oh! Who's throwing grenades? What are you
Not
doing,
me.
Cube? There. Here you come. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get shot. Oh, I'm gonna get shot. Alright. Here we go. What's this? Ready? Who needs a band-aid? Everybody needs a band-aid. I need a band-aid.
Oh, I see your kneecap off.
Oh, where are you? Where are you?
I need a kneecap. Oh,
Oh! Cube thinks that's funny. Where should I go, Cube? Where do you think they're at?
That way.
This way? Oh, there's Bub. Found him. Oh, he fell out right on his head. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh. He says, oh, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna take a nap right here. I'm gonna take a nap.
You're a weirdo.
Just hurt him.
Oh, he...
I
Bub came through and demolished both of us. We had no chance. I'm gonna flash you. I'm gonna flash myself. Oh! Alright, Aiden, where are you? I saw you. Where'd you go? Where are you?
That building.
Where'd you go? Is he over here? Ah! That's Bub. Oh! It's shotgun tag. Watch this. Oh, you're it. Oh, I'm it. Hey! Oh, all your money fell out. You got shot in the wallet.
I can't.
I think I flashed myself. Where is everything? I can't see anything. Oh, look at that. Fell over. It's like a real bad... Oh! And Aiden gets the win.
The Lenny rocket ship. Priceless.
Watch this game-winning killer comes in. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna get shot right in the booty.
Why in the booty?